Alright, y'all. I know I haven't shown this vacuum in a while. My Hoover Decade 80. Um, yeah, this isn't exactly the Decade 80 that I wanted, but oh well, it'll do. Um, yeah, I don't believe I've really ever vacuumed in here on film. It's the laundry room. So, yeah, we're gonna vacuum the laundry room. It hasn't been vacuumed in a pretty long time, so here we go. And there it is. I, of course, hope y'all enjoyed that. Um, Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this and other types of vacuum content. And until next time, bye.